Stratosfera Acquatica, the latest innovation from Lazzarini Design Studio. This futuristic pod is a marvel of engineering, crafted from incredibly lightweight carbon fiber. With a diameter of 1.65 meters, it offers ample space for two adventurers to embark on unforgettable journeys. In aquatic mode, it maintains a low center of gravity, gliding smoothly on water with the help of an extendable foil for stability. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Converted into a quadcopter, and with its two electric jet engines, you can experience the thrill of skydiving at speeds up to 155 miles per hour. While it's a luxury item with an estimated price tag of $30 million, the Stratosfera Acquatica represents a new era where style meets cutting-edge technology, making it a must-have for the daring and well-off. Icoma Tatamel bike, where compact design meets innovative convenience. Perfect for city dwellers with limited storage space, this bike folds up to the size of a suitcase, making it an ideal solution for modern living. Navigating city streets is a breeze thanks to its 10-inch wheels, front suspension, and a robust monoshock for extra stability at the back. Powered by an environmentally friendly lithium iron phosphate battery, the Tatamel bike boasts a range of about 30 kilometers and can be fully charged in just 3 hours. It even comes equipped with USB charging capabilities, transforming it into a portable power source on the go. Set for delivery in October 2024 and priced at 498,000 yen, this dependable and stylish mode of transportation is perfect for anyone seeking a versatile and eco-friendly commute. Onewheel GT S-Series, the pinnacle of high-performance electric personal transportation. This advanced model from Onewheel has been factory-modified to deliver unparalleled performance, boasting a top speed of 25 miles per hour and a range of 16 to 25 miles. Designed for mind-blowing acceleration, stability, and hill climbing capabilities, the S-Series is powered by a 113-volt powertrain, 50% greater voltage than previous models. Enhanced with powerful neodymium magnets, it ensures maximum torque, acceleration, and efficiency. For a ride that's both smooth and secure, the GT S-Series features the GT Performance treaded tire and lowboy foot pads. Weighing 2 pounds less than the Onewheel GT thanks to a completely redesigned battery management system and power stage, the Onewheel GT S-Series redefines what's possible in electric personal transportation. Mercane Wheels Transboard, a modern folding electric scooter that sets new standards for safety and innovation. Featuring a revolutionary tricycle frame and double wishbone suspension, the Transboard ensures an exceptional riding experience on any route. Its standout feature is a clever self-folding mechanism that folds the scooter effortlessly with just a wave of your hand. Powered by a high-performance 350-watt BLC hub motor, the Transboard reaches top speeds of 20 miles per hour, making it both powerful and efficient. The polycarbonate trim adds durability and a sleek aesthetic, resistant to external shocks. Early backers could secure this cutting-edge form of transportation for just $500, making it an attractive option for those seeking a blend of performance, safety, and style. Jogalong Stroller, the ultimate solution for active families seeking versatility and innovation in their daily routines. This unique stroller system seamlessly combines a jogging stroller, a bicycle trailer, and a standard stroller into one convenient package. Designed with both parent and child in mind, it features ergonomically designed arms for a natural running form, adjustable suspension for a smooth ride, and a large storage pocket for essentials. Safety is paramount with a 5-point harness, and convenience is enhanced with 2 water bottle holders and reflective tire sidewalls for increased visibility. With a weight capacity of 75 pounds and the ability to fold for easy transport, the Jogalong Stroller is perfect for families on the go. Priced at $2,460, it represents a significant investment in quality, comfort, and functionality, making it a must-have for active parents. Jetovator, an exhilarating attachment that transforms your existing personal watercraft into a flying machine. Utilizing a 66-foot hose, the Jetovator reroutes water force from the watercraft to propel the rider up to 40 feet in the air or dive underwater, offering a unique blend of thrill and dexterity. Designed for easy use, anyone can master the Jetovator in just 20 minutes. It operates on personal watercrafts with as little as 180 horsepower, but for optimal performance, a 230 horsepower, 4-stroke supercharged model with at least 1.5 liters of fuel is recommended. The Jetovator is priced at $2,975. Take your water adventures to new heights with the Jetovator. Doohan I-Tank, a cutting-edge 3-wheeled electric scooter that combines stability, agility, and a sleek design. Priced at $2,999, this futuristic scooter is powered by a robust 490-watt Bosch motor paired with a 60-volt, 26 AMP-hour lithium battery. With a top speed range of 25 to 45 kilometers per hour, the I-Tank can travel between 45 and 70 kilometers on a single charge, depending on your speed. Available in 3 striking colors, white, red, and black, it caters to a variety of style preferences. The scooter features a wheelbase of 1,250 mm, a width of 730 mm, and a height of 1,030 mm, providing a comfortable and stable ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising through scenic routes, the Doohan I-Tank delivers an exceptional blend of performance and aesthetics. Track 1 Off-Road Eboard, an innovative all-terrain electric board designed to conquer any landscape you dare to explore. From gravel and dirt to snow and sand, this e-board ensures stability and control with its unique hybrid marvel, combining the nimbleness of 2 front wheels with the power of a rear drive track. The deck, made from a durable blend of carbon fiber and Kevlar, is built to withstand high-impact adventures, catering to extreme sports enthusiasts. Whether you're a beginner or seeking longer rides, the detachable handlebars offer comfort and convenience. With an electric motor producing over 5 horsepower, the Track 1 reaches thrilling speeds of over 20 miles per hour. Starting at $2,800, this e-board's price reflects its cutting-edge design and all-season versatility, making it a must-have for adrenaline seekers. Boosted Board Mini, the perfect electric skateboard for urban commuters and skateboard enthusiasts who crave power and portability. Known for its renowned quality and performance, Boosted Boards has created a compact yet formidable variant with 2 models, the Mini S and Mini X, priced between $850 to $949. The Mini X offers greater speed and range, while the Mini S, starting at $749, strikes a balance between performance and affordability. Both models feature a deep dish composite deck for superior control and comfort, achieving top speeds of 20 miles per hour. The 1,000-watt motor and regenerative brakes effortlessly handle climbs as steep as 20%. Weighing just 7.6 kg, the Boosted Mini is encased in triaxial fiberglass for enhanced durability. Equipped with an ergonomic Bluetooth remote and app compatibility for both iOS and Android. Infinite Machine P1, a groundbreaking innovation in urban transportation that blends style with exceptional performance. Powered by a remarkable 6 kilowatt motor and a 72-volt, 50 AMP battery, the P1 can achieve impressive speeds of 55 miles per hour and cover up to 60 miles on a single charge. Its quick and noiseless acceleration provides an exhilarating ride, complemented by turbo and reverse modes for enhanced control in various settings. The P1's robust monocase, crafted from aluminum and steel, features a distinctive front fascia that combines strength with fashion. While it can reach speeds of up to 35 miles, priced at $10,000,